All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. We managed to go 3 for 3, and we hit a home run of 25% plus on the day. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So here we are with SENS. It had a nice pop to the upside, but it's consolidating, guys. This is what's really looking healthy right now, in the sense of after pulling back, it's consolidating, which is something to be aware of and pay close attention to, because within this consolidation could be the next opportunity. And excuse that thunder, that was huge, but it could be the next opportunity for this to go higher to newer resistance levels. I'm laughing because this is just, I'm trying to do this video, but that storm, guys, I apologize. But look, within this consolidation, it's showing strength from the move, even though it's gone downwards. Okay, super important to keep that in mind and pay close attention to that. But right now, it is in tug of war zone. It did have a nice jump in the morning and it pulled back down. As long as right now it stays above the support levels from yesterday, which was right here at 336, I think there could be some strength, and all it needs is another catalyst to push it up to the upside. So super important to be aware of that and pay close attention to this. And the highest point that it reached today is an important resistance level moving forward, and we're going to see how this plays out tomorrow. So one of the things I want you guys to be aware of here is the 50-day moving average is 362. Anything below it is bearish, anything above it is bullish. So do keep that in mind. The lowest point of the day was in the pre-market before the pop, and that's 353. If that gets broken through, I'd watch this carefully how it reacts between 353 and down here at 336. And then on the other side of things is our resistance level that the bulls need to break through, and that's 381. They need to turn that into a support to pull upwards to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and pull further away from the 50-day moving average and gaining leverage and going into bullish territory. So it's going to be important for the bulls to do this and continue the momentum. Right now, there's strength because it's holding itself up. It is in tug of war zone, and it's going to be important to watch this moving forward. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And also probably laugh because the thunder's in the background. That was just incredible. And stay tuned. All I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbol you won't want to miss, as well as the opportunities we found. We hit 3 home runs and opportunities today, all 10% plus on the day, and our highest was 25% plus. All happened within minutes after the bell. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before here on the YouTube channel, and I still strongly believe it's a leader in its niche, and the way the chart is positioning itself is looking like an opportunity. We're going to look at the chart in just a moment and why I believe this stock has potential, and it's a great stock to start watching and doing research on. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. We hit a home run today of 25% plus. And if this is something that interests you and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. And by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together within this Discord. So here we are with the first one, KULR. It was pulling back after jumping almost 100% in the morning. It was sitting at 295 when I started watching it. CLSD was at 510 and APOP was at 518. Let's look at these charts together. Our worst performer of the day was KULR. It gave us around 10 to 15% of a jump after pulling back close to the 270s and popped up to the 318, 319 range. It was pretty impressive within just minutes. So this was our home run of the day, APOP. and it was consolidating after jumping from the 460, 470 range. Consolidated. I mentioned it at 518. It started to run, consolidated again, pulled back a little bit, and jumped up from 545, 48 range all the way up to highs here of 630. Okay. From the moment when I mentioned it, it gave 25% plus, but after that pullback and jump, it gave nearly between 10 to 20% of a jump on the day. This was phenomenal. It all happened so quickly. That's why execution and timing is key with these stocks. And then after pulling back again, back to closer to the fives, it consolidated and ran up again to 560, giving another 10% opportunity. Now, our second best player of the day was CLCD. This was running and consolidating on the news of actually getting an analysis price target upgrade. It was pulling back as I started watching it. It was at 510 when we mentioned it. Pulled back to lows here of about 491, 490 range, and shot up to highs here of $6, giving a highest point of 15% plus, almost north, closer to 20%. This was a phenomenal turnout for the day. We went 3 for 3. Every single stock gave us 10% plus, but these were our two best performers, and we hit a home run with APOP here at the highest point of 25% plus. If this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? Well, ticker symbol F, okay? I've been talking about this one before. I talked about it way back here in May when it was at the 11s. I talked about it again a few weeks later when it was in the 12s and moving itself up. And this is already given between 30 to 50% of a jump since we first started talking about it. Hit highs here of about $16 and some change. And now it's pulling back from $16 to the $14 range. And you can see here how in the pre-market it ran and collapsed, and it's going into further weakness. Now, what I'm really looking for is consolidation to keep average cost basis low for those that entered down here, or actually look for an entry point for those that are getting this on the first opportunity. So you want to do research on it. You want to do your due diligence. This is a leader in the niche of selling trucks. Now they have an EV truck. That's going to be a big deal moving forward, causing revenue to go up and net income to grow, giving some financial strength. I'm not saying that it's going to be stability or actually make this stock, profitable again, because they've been going through some trouble the last couple of years, but it can give them some strength to probably cause a turnaround in the way things are looking. Now, this stock has ran tremendously from way back here at the beginning of the year, from $8 to $16. So it's bound to cool off, but it has some strength right now. And what I'm really looking for is either consolidation or even further weakness, and look for a great opportunity to catch, quote unquote, the dip. And then if it continues to fall, keep my average cost basis as low as possible and ride this one back up as analysis ratings. See this one going to the upside, and with this EV truck and the niche and being the number one selling truck in the US market, the F-150, and now they have the F-150 Lightning, it's going to be a big deal. So I would really pay close attention to this moving forward. And with RIDE, right, the ticker symbol RIDE, having issues, Lordstown, and they were trying to be the competitor, and also the Cybertruck of Tesla is not out yet, as well as the fact that Workhorse got beaten down, and they're pretty much known for that partnership with Lordstown or having a stake in it. Ford right now has the spotlight in this niche of EV trucks. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions in any of the stocks I mentioned. If not, I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities that I'm watching and why I'm watching them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.